Hello everyone! Today we're going to learn how to enable Microsoft Copilot Pro in Excel and get it fully working so you can use all its AI features to create, analyze, and edit spreadsheets easily. First, open Excel on your computer and make sure it's updated to the latest version. Copilot Pro requires the newest updates, so it's important to check for any available updates before continuing. If Excel is not updated, go to the Help menu or Account Settings and click Update to get the latest version. Next, check that you're logged into the Microsoft account that has your Copilot Pro license. You can do this by looking at the top right corner of Excel where your name and profile picture appear. If it's not the correct account, click on your name or picture, select Sign in with a different account, and log in with the account linked to your Copilot Pro subscription. After confirming your account, navigate to the Home tab. Look carefully at the top right area under your account name and profile picture for the Copilot icon. Sometimes it may take a few seconds to load, especially if this is your first time opening Excel after enabling Copilot. Once you see the Copilot icon, click it to open the Copilot chat panel. This panel will appear on the right-hand side of your Excel window. You can now start entering prompts to generate content, create formulas, analyze data, or even build tables automatically. Copilot will respond directly in the panel, and you can insert its suggestions into your spreadsheet with one click. If the Copilot icon doesn't appear, make sure your Microsoft 365 subscription includes Copilot Pro and that your Excel app is properly signed in. Sometimes signing out and back in or restarting Excel will make the icon appear. Once you've successfully opened the chat panel, experiment with different commands. For example, you can ask Copilot to summarize data, generate charts, or create templates for reports. Copilot Pro is designed to save time and improve productivity, so spend a few minutes exploring its capabilities. That's how you enable Microsoft Copilot Pro in Excel and start using it to enhance your workflow. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tutorial like this.